Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you are asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murder, sir, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period and as set forth in this warrant of arrest.
Must be murder. Hindi lang. So, can you now give me the copy of the...
We have provided the warrant of arrest to your lawyers earlier, sir. And we can provide it to you now, sir.
One of the lawyers
Ngayon na.
was presented to us was
I have Attorney Delgra, Attorney Diaz.